Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to paper 2, that is geometry, lecture number 6, topic similarity. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Let me just go to the full screen mode of OneNote and let me check if I'm able to write or not. Okay, I can. ठीक, चलो लिख पा रहा हूँ. Okay, okay. So we'll start. The prerequisites of this exercise are covered in lecture 5. So if you allow missed it, you can just go to the playlist of your 10th SSC geometry and you can check over there. You will find the recording for this lecture number 5. And today we are going to start with exercise. So if you, I'm just repeating if you have missed anything. So we have just covered the test for similarities and a few properties of similar triangle. And then on basis of that, today we are going to solve questions. I hope my screen is visible to everyone and recording is started. Cool. So let me just start solving the question. Question says that in the figure 1.55, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. It's marked in the figure as well. Angle EDC is also 75. State which two triangles are similar by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. By showing proper one-to-one correspondence. I'll switch off my video so that you have full screen view. And if you look carefully, देखो angle B75 है, ये वाला angle भी 75 है, and ये D भी 75 है, ठीक है. तो जस्ट लुक कि कौन से दो ट्राइंगल में वो एंगल आ रहा है. सो इट इज बेसिकली इन ट्राइंगल BCE and triangle BCA and triangle BCA. Angle CDE is congruent, मतलब D और B congruent है, since they are having the same measure. So angle CDE is congruent to angle CBA. Since if you see each measure is 70 degree, each measure is measure 75 degree. मेरे दिमाग में 70 घूम रहा है, I don't know why. Then if you see DCE, ये वाला एंगल देखो, DCE is congruent to angle BCA, means ये वाला BCA, दोनों जगह C कॉमन है, so it means that angle DCE is congruent to angle BCA since C is the common angle. Now we had studied the first test, that is double A test of similarity. Therefore, triangle DCE is similar to triangle BCA. This is the sign of similar, yeah, similarity, and this is the similar due to double A test of similarity. Since it's the first question, I am writing everything in proper way. Next question onwards, I will be just explaining you. And write one-to-one correspondence. They have told me correspondence लिखने भी बोला है. It means that one-to-one correspondence अभी तुम लोग लिख देना. One-to-one correspondence कैसा होएगा? One-to-one correspondence says that angle D will be congruent to angle B of that triangle, ठीक है. फिर वो angle C will be congruent to angle C, and वो last angle जो बचेगा वो भी एक दूसरे को congruent होएगा, since it is the remaining angle of the triangle. I hope you have I hope the concept is clear that how we prove two triangles to be congruent, ठीक है. Let's go to the next question if you all are done with this. Next question is again simple question. Let me just paste that question for you all, and this question is easy. Don't worry, it's the जैसा question बड़ा दिखता है उतना वो easy होता है, so don't get afraid. Are the triangles similar in figure 1.6, means here, and if yes, they are similar by which test? So first of all, let us check the ratios. उनका ratios equal आ रहा है कि नहीं, proportion में आ रहा है कि नहीं उनका side. So QR, ये वाला देखो QR, I start from the base. QR upon MN is equal to 8/4, which is equal to 2/1. ठीक है. Let this be my equation number 1. Let me check PQ and LM वाला ratio. So PQ upon LM is equal to 6/3, which is equal to 2/1. Let this be my equation number 2. Acha, now you will tell how did you understood, sir, that you are supposed to start with the proportion of the sides. See, in the given figure, there is nothing, no mention about the angles. Angles के बारे में कुछ भी बोला नहीं है. So that's the reason एक hint मिल गया था कि अपने को साइड proportion में कि नहीं वही चेक करके आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. तो दो साइड तो proportion में आ गया. But we need to also check the third side, that is PR upon LN. Okay. So PR upon LN is equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 2 by 1, which is equal to equation number 3. From 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. So you can first of all mention the two triangles, that in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. This are proportion as well as they are in proportion as well as they are equal. This is from 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN using the triple S test of similarity. Okay. Using triple S test of similarity. So let me just put the brackets, and this question is done since मुझे इतना ही पूछा था. So copy it down. In the meanwhile, I will copy the next question for you all. So here is the next question. That is question number 3 from your exercise. Let me just shift it here a bit. I hope the screen is still visible to you. Third question is again simple. Don't get afraid. See, they are asking me, as shown in figure 1.57, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then find how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time. So in question, they have given me much of the things. So let me just write it there. क्या है ये? I don't know. Let me just put backspace. Okay. I hope अभी कुछ नहीं है स्क्रीन पे. ठीक है, चलो. So let's start with the solution part. And solution is going to be very easy. Please pay attention. The question is extremely simple. If you check this side PR and AC. So PR and AC are two poles as per the question. So PR and AC are two poles. Okay. And QR and BC, ये जो QR है, ये जो QR है and ये जो BC है वो उनका shadows है. So QR and BC are their shadows respectively. QR and BC are their shadows respectively. Are their shadows respectively. And therefore, see, shadows are always on the same time. मतलब इसके ऊपर sun है, ये साइड पे तो उसका shadow cast हो रहा है इधर QR पे, and इधर भी sun, मतलब ये भी shadows are cast at the same time. See, they have given in the question, bigger pole at the same time. ये देखो ये रहा same time. So when it, see, they are telling me that shadows are cast at the same time. It means since the shadows are cast at same time, since the shadows are cast at same time, the triangles, the two triangles which are formed or which are given are similar. So therefore, triangle PQR would be similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Therefore, PR upon AC is going to be QR upon BC. Okay. And reasons would be, since this triangle are similar, this is nothing but CSST T, it means that corresponding sides of similar triangle. Please listen to the recording, don't just copy. CSST means corresponding sides of similar triangles in proportion. Therefore, 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon x. If you look here, ये देखो इधर, I have just taken the proportion. So sorry. Here it's PR upon L and नहीं PR upon AC. So sorry. मैंने वही लिया क्या? हाँ, no, it's right. PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. Just solve for it. You are going to get here it's 1 by 2 is equal to 6 upon X. Therefore, X is equal to 6 into 2. So X is equal to 12. It means x का value x क्या था? X is BC, तो BC is equal to 12 meter. Mind you, it's meter since question में मीटर दिया है शायद से, if I'm not wrong. दिया है कि नहीं दिया है? दिया है. So therefore, this is if you solve till here, you get your out of, if this question is for 2 marks, you will get 1.5. Since a final answer statement is expected here as well. So just write down final answer statement. मेरे पास इधर बहुत जगह है साइड में, तो मैं इधर लिख रहा हूँ. So your final answer statement would be the length of shadow. The length of shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. I hope the question is very clear to you all. So you can just start with the solution part. In the meanwhile, I'll copy the next question for you all. Hope you have completed up to here. This is the next question that we are supposed to solve. And the question is in fact easy. क्या बोला है? In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to AC, dash dash dash. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, find AC. AC तो मुझे तब मिलेगा. See, let's understand the algorithm of this particular question. See, first of all, you need to prove triangle, some triangle similar to some other triangle. Once you get similar, you will get dash upon dash. मतलब suppose x upon y is equal to a upon b. मतलब you will get C, S, S, T corresponding sides of similar triangles. Do cross multiplication and you will get one of the side का answer, that is AC. This is the nothing but the division algorithm here. Division algorithm, sorry. Question का algorithm है ये, but algorithm is the steps which we are going to follow while solving such types of question. So let's start. Let's check कौन से test से ये similar होएगा. So we need to prove triangle CPA and CQB. So in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, we need to prove this triangle similar. If you look carefully, there is going to be a common angle. So जो मुझे पहले दिख रहा है मैं वो लिख रहा हूँ, that in triangle CPA and CQB, angle ACP is similar to angle, I mean it's congruent to angle BCQ, since it is the common angle between both the triangle. Also I can see angle CPA is congruent to angle BCQ या CBQ लिख सकते, CBQ ही लिखना, or else similarity will go wrong. Since the both measure are 90 degree, look in the figure. See here, ये 90 degree, ये 90 degree है. So each 90 degree. So इससे मुझे मिल गया therefore triangle. Therefore क्या हो रहा है? Therefore triangle CPA is similar to triangle CBQ. ये देखो इधर लिखा हुआ है. Using double A test of similarity, double A test of similarity, isn't it? Now you can use the ratios of them, that is AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC, which is equal to CSST corresponding sides of similar triangle. 7 upon 8 is equal to AC upon 12. Now you just calculate the values and do let me know. AC into 8, yeah, 8 AC is going to be 12 into 7 upon 8 नीचे चला जाएगा, ठीक है. Let me scroll a bit down. So it's going to give me, just solve, you may get 10.5. So AC, therefore AC is equal to 10.5. I'll write it neatly, give me a moment. AC is equal to 10.5. I hope this question is clear to you all. See, you just need to have a proper planning that how you are going to proceed with the question, and once it's done so, you can just start. Okay. So let's go to the next question. We are still having 10 minutes to go. We may cover more two questions. I'll paste the next question for you all. Give me a moment. I hope the textbook is visible, and we are supposed to go with question number 5 now. So there are total, I guess, 10 questions in 9 questions in the exercise, and I will complete it. 5-10 minute lecture extend हो जाएगा तो चल जाएगा, but I will complete it in a single lecture only today. So let's go with question number 5. This is your question 5. Let's switch back to our OneNote and let me paste the question. So I hope the question is visible to you all. And let's start. In the trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. AR is equal to phi AP. ये देखो AR, ये जो AR है, ये वाला पार्ट is equal to this phi times AP. ये AR is basically phi times AP. Then AS is equal to phi times AQ. ये इतना सा part AS is equal to phi times AQ. So here I am going to write, I don't know how I am able to write, but phi times AQ. ठीक है. Then what else? Prove that SR is equal to phi times PQ. मतलब ये जो SR है, ये वाला SR वो phi times PQ है, ये prove करना है. So I need to prove that my SR is equal to phi times PQ. So a very easy proof if you understand the concept. My OneNote is hanged. I don't know why, but ये prove करना है अपने को. हो जाएगा. So let me just write here to prove. Given तुमको दिया हुआ है, to prove मैंने लिख दिया. Let's start with the proof part. Mind you all, to prove के लिए proof होते हैं, solution नहीं होते. I hope it's very clear. So basically we'll start with the given part, that side PQ is parallel to side SR. ठीक है. And QS is transversal. QS is transversal. So in this case, when QS is transversal, what we can do next is we can take two first of all एक alternate angles मिल रहा है मुझे. देखो ये Q देखो and ये S देखो, they are forming alternate angles. Therefore angle PQS is congruent to angle RSQ, alternate angles. Okay, and it means that angle PQA is also equal to angle RSA. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, थोड़ा नाम में चेंज किया है. Since it's Q dash A dash S. If ये step नहीं समझा है, please do let me know in the comment section. I will let you all know. But before that, just have a look to the figure so that शायद से समझ जाएगा. Okay. So basically, I'll just take the triangle now. That is in triangle. Now have attention. What's the planning? How to go ahead with this question? We will take two triangles. That is triangle PQA. ये वाला triangle PQA. And we are going to take triangle RSA. ये वाला triangle RSA बोलेगा तो ये वाला triangle RSA. Okay, so very bad drawing as usual. So that two triangle I am going to take and I am going to prove them similar so that I can get corresponding sides and I can substitute the values given. So in triangle PQA and triangle RSA, if you look at the prerequisite, मतलब ये ऊपर हम लोग ने जो किया उससे मुझे triangle similar मिल जाएगा. That is angle PQA is congruent to angle RSA. This can be from 1. Secondly, there is a vertically opposite angle, that is angle PAQ is congruent to angle RAS. Since there is a double A test, नहीं ये तो vertically opposite angle नहीं हो जाएगा, vertically opposite angle. ठीक है, I'm just writing short form, you all don't use so since they are not board approved. ठीक है, and therefore triangle PQA will be similar to triangle RSA, and this will be using AA test of similarity. AA test of similarity. Now I can get the ratios, that is corresponding sides of similar triangle. PQ upon RS is equal to, just have a look at figure, मुझे भी इतना नहीं आता है, मतलब बिना फिगर देखे इतना याद नहीं आता है, तो PQ upon RS is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to AP upon AR, and here the reason will be CSCT, CSST नहीं, CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangle, and here AR is equal to 5 times AP. Okay, and let this be your equation number 2 so that you don't have any issue in substituting. And this is AR is equal to 5 times AP. Let this be your equation number 3, and reason is given. So never leave the geometry paper like that. See to it you provide justification. Now do substituting part. Substituting, मतलब मैं इधर से इधर जा रहा हूँ, people get confused. Substituting 3 and 2 in equation 1, what I am going to get here, PQ upon RS या SR लिखो, एक ही बात है, PQ upon SR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to AP upon 5 times AP. This is very simple. AP कट जाएगा. See here, this AP गया, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, PQ upon SR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to 1/5. ये तीनों इक्वालिटी है, तो मैं कोई दो भी ले सकता हूँ इधर. Let this mark be my 4. So from equation 4, what I am going to get? From 4, I am going to get, I will get PQ upon SR is equal to 1/5. Do cross multiplication. 5 times PQ is equal to SR into 1, and it simply means that is SR is equal to 5 times PQ. This question may come in the exam for 3 marks if it's an online, if it's an offline exam, and if it's online exam assignment वगैरह कुछ देंगे descriptive, तो ये question का आने का chances अच्छा खासा है. And अगर इतना सब नहीं करना, if it comes for 2 marks, then there is again an alternative method. You need not show each and every equality and substitution wala part. Okay, it's 25 minutes. Lecture is going on. Actually, I need to extend because there are nearly more 5 lectures. So I'll extend lecture up to 45 minutes तक करते lecture 7:45 तक, and then I will wind up. So sorry. Just let me go to the question. Suddenly 5th हो गया. Let's start with 6th question. Don't want this one, but I want ये ऐसा, ठीक है, but वो साइड नहीं आ रहा है. Now अभी आ गया. Let's shift back to OneNote. Let me just paste the question. Don't worry, I will bring it down a bit. ठीक है. I hope it's not clashing now, and let me shift this question to this part. ठीक है. Question 6 states that in trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side BC. Diagonal AC and BD intersect in point O. Point O पे intersect कर the diagonal. If AB is equal to 20, BC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, then find OD. So we need to find OD. The question is simple. Don't worry. Take two triangles, prove them similar, take their corresponding sides, do cross multiplication, and you get your answer. Not a big deal. So let's start with the solution. I would say always start with the given. Side AB is parallel to side BC. Okay. Line DB is the transversal. Line DB is the transversal. Angle CDB will be congruent to angle ABD. Do tell me the reason why. Angle ABD, because they are alternate angles. Okay. Now since they are alternate angles, angle CDO, मैं उसको ऐसा भी लिख सकता हूँ, that is angle CDO will be congruent to angle ABO, since B dash O dash D. Let this be my equation number 1. In triangle COD, and triangle COD and triangle AOB, angle CDO is congruent to angle ABO from 1. My God, there are so many messages flooding today. और कुछ है इधर? From 1 हो गया. Just check और कुछ दिख रहा है क्या? जरा I can see vertically opposite angles as well. So angle COD is congruent to angle AOB. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB, and they are using AA test of similarity. Now take the corresponding sides, that is OD upon OB is equal to DC upon AB. DC upon AB, if I'm not wrong, reason is CSST. Substitute the values. OD upon 15 is equal to 6 by 20. OD is equal to 15 into 6 upon 20. If you are not able to solve, please reduce it here only, I would say. Therefore, OD is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore, OD is equal to 4.5, and this is the solution. I hope it's clear to you all. If there is any doubt, please stop the video here itself. Pause करो, देखो, समझ लो, फिर लिखो, and then mention it in the comment section. Just sitting in front of the screen and looking at the videos won't help you out. Subjects like algebra and geometry, you have to practice. While looking at the video, you have to keep on solving. Let's go to 7th question then. 7th question is again easy, and there are hardly 2 questions. Let's see कितना हो पाता है. इधर से करना पड़ेगा ना पेस अपने को. Okay. Hope the entire question is there on the screen. Let's check. आ गया. So the question says that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersects ray AB in point T. Prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. This is to prove. Basically, let me start with the proof part directly. See, एक चीज समझ लो, कोई भी डायरेक्टली ऐसा आ नहीं जाता, ठीक है. डीबी इंटू बी, सी इंटू डी, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे तभी ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करने के लिए मेरे पास रेशियोज होना चाहिए प्रोपोर्शन में होने के लिए मेरे पास दो ट्रायंगल होना चाहिए जो सिमिलर होएगा. इनडायरेक्टली आई एम कमिंग टू द सेम पार्ट कि ट्रायंगल सिमिलर होएगा फिर उसका रेशियोज बनेगा, प्रोपोर्शन में साइड मिलेगा तो, एंड देन बाय CSST I will be solving it. I will be doing cross multiplication and I will be getting my result. So let's start with the proof part again for this question. Proof part: seg AB is parallel to seg CD. Seg AB is parallel to seg CD. Okay. And seg AB is parallel to seg CD किधर से आया? आपको दिया तो है नहीं सर. From where did you bring this equal parallel? किधर से लाया? So see, they have given me ABCD is a parallelogram, and these are the opposite sides of parallelogram, which are always parallel. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, that it means that seg AT will be parallel to seg CD. मैंने थोड़ा उसको और अच्छे से लिखा. Since reason, you can mention A dash, B dash, T. Now you can take line TD as your transversal. You can check which angles are congruent now. The angles here which are congruent is therefore angle ATD is congruent to angle CDT. Alternate angles. Okay. And angle BTE. See, now nearly we will understand the format of each and every question is same. Only the language and the asking part is changed. मतलब twist करके पूछ रहे थोड़ा बहुत, but it's nearly same. The proof part. CDE. You need to mention that A dash, B dash, T, and one more reason आएगा कुछ तो, that would be T dash, E dash, B. So T dash, E dash, B. Okay. So let this be my equation number 1. हो सकता है similar prove करने में काम आ जाएगा. Going ahead, take the two triangles. So in triangle BET and triangle CED, whenever you take two triangles, you are having something already prepared for proving it similar. So angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE using equation 1. So here you can write from 1. Then again there will be a vertically opposite angle here. So angle BET will be congruent to angle CED. Since they are vertically opposite angles, let me go down a bit. So therefore triangles are similar. Therefore triangle BET is similar to triangle CED. Using which test? So using AA test of similarity, isn't it? Therefore BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE. CSST, do cross multiplication, therefore BE into DE is equal to CE into TE. I hope this part is very clear to you all. If not, please ask me in the comment section now itself before we proceed with some other questions. I'll see to it that your doubts are cleared, but do ask me. Okay, so now hardly there are two questions remaining, so I'll complete it rather than recording another lecture. I'll complete the session in today's class only. पूरा ही exercise खत्म कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? Thank you all for your patience. I will see to it that I complete this topic as soon as possible. Most probably before your prelim exam, so don't worry. Prelim नहीं, semester exam के पहले ये topic तो खत्म हो ही जाएगा, so don't worry. Let's go to OneNote and let's paste this question. ये actually ये पूरा solution टेढ़ा आया है, so sorry for that. But I hope समझा रहेगा तुमको. Since understanding is more important rather than handwriting. But don't follow this sigma rule in your paper, or else you will tell teacher that understanding is more important than handwriting, which won't help you out. ठीक है? The majority of the space have gone. No problem. In the figure, seg AC and seg BD intersect each other at other in point P and is AP upon CP is equal to prove that two triangle are similar. तो ये क्वेश्चन तो सबसे इजी था, 2 मार्क या 1 मार्क को ये क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू में भी पूछ सकता है कि दे आर सिमिलर बाय विच टेस्ट करके. So in triangle directly take the given triangle ABP similar to triangle CDP. Okay, so AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. गिवन, ये तो दिया हुआ है, एक तो साइड दे दिया था. अभी एक एंगल पे आ जाओ, तो एंगल दूसरी ये क्या आएगा, एंगल APB is congruent to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. ठीक है, take the third side and hence it means that triangle are similar by SSC test. Just give me a minute. So just go to the question. There should be one more side which you should get. I'll just give you the answer that triangle ABC is similar to triangle CDP using SAS test. I am having a bit confusion in this question. There is a information missing, but I will get back to you in the next session of this. And do let me know if you all are having any solution or any other method apart from this. But it's SAS जहाँ तक मुझे समझ आएगी, ठीक है? And we'll just go for question number 9 and we will wind up with the session. So let's go for question number 9. Again the question is very simple. थोड़ा उसको ऊपर से ये लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is the 9th question. Oh no, if I take this तो 9 जा रहा है. I don't know what to do. Shift S. Okay, let's go. It's showing me some error in copy pasting. रुक जाओ. There is some technical glitch at this snipping tool. वो A मैं लिख देता हूँ, चलो. Rather than wasting time on that, I will only do that part. ये क्या हो गया? हाँ, अभी आया. Let me just paste that 9th question. 9th question is the simplest question amongst each and every question that we have studied till now. Let this be question number. This is 9th and this is A. Okay. So in figure ABC, in triangle ABC, point D is on side BC such that A is equal to D. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. I'll just give you a hint कि CA square को हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? ये देखो CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. ये हम लोग ऐसे ही लिख सकते थे. So now is it similar to your question number 7? Yes. So let us prove this and we are done for the day. So proof part. In triangle ABC and triangle दूसरा कौन सा बोला है, ट्रायंगल ले सकते हैं ADC बिकॉज गिवन से तो वही दिख रहा है मुझे कि ये दो ट्रायंगल से रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा. एंगल BAC is congruent to angle ADC given. Okay, it's given here. Next, angle ACB is congruent to angle DCA. Okay, and this is the common angle. C दोनों जगह कॉमन है. तो ये तुम्हारा हो गया by double A test. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to your triangle ADC using double A test of similarity. And now you can take the CSCT wala part. Therefore CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. This is my CSST corresponding sides of similar triangle. And now do the cross multiplication. You are going to get CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. CA square is equal to CB into CD and hence proved. So this much part was very simple. And I hope this session is understood. तुमको ये session समझा है. आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि तुमको समझा है, एंड विल मीट सून with the next lecture, that is lecture number 9. नहीं, lecture number ये कौन सा है? Give me a moment. This is lecture number 6. So we'll meet with lecture 7 very soon, and I'll see to it कि topic जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. If you all want notes, please send me an email that requesting for notes of so and so lecture. So it will be released by my technical team, and you will get it. Okay. So I hope the session was interesting. And in lecture 7, we will start with concept for 1.4. 1.3 हो गया, 1.4 के लिए एक छोटा सा theorem है वो करेंगे. And I guess this topic will be completed in your 8th lecture. 9th and 10th lecture का जरूरत पड़ेगा नहीं, ठीक है? Since I have taken 45 minutes का session, we will complete it in 8 lectures. Okay. So stay tuned and enjoy learning. That is my main motto. And do like, share and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Okay, we'll meet soon in the next lecture. Bye bye, have a good day.